Welcome to Northeast Fitlight Training Center. Whether it's soccer, football, basketball, or martial arts, the most important key to your game is the reaction or reflex time. Reaction time is the interval between the presentation of a stimulus and the initiation of the muscular response to that stimulus. A primary factor affecting a response is the number of possible stimuli, each requiring their own response that are presented.
Human nervous system. Our brain, made up of 75% water, approximately 30,000 million neurons, weighs about 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms and main and nervous system. Information in the brain travels at a speed of 430 kilometers per hour. Sensory impulses travel through peripheral nerves and the spinal cord towards the brain using a network of neurons and many such as synapses. Each neuron is connected to another neuron by connections called synapses. The brain controls body movements and other activities by sending motor impulses through the spinal cord and peripheral nerves towards effector organs. Specialized structures in the body receives and sends stimuli to the brain for appropriate responses. Driving a race car requires the use of the nervous system to its maximum extent. The heart beats faster, supplying more oxygen to brain cells. Optic nerves send images in the form of nerve impulses to the vision area in occipital lobe for perception, analysis, and processing. The brain makes a decision on how to control nerves on curves. We all have heard of fight or flight situation. Besides unlocking our body's resilience, the mind can also unleash superhuman speed. We instinctively call to that power when the brain thinks it's too hazardous or too deadly to confront. Rather than facing it, we push our bodies to the limit to escape the situation. In a fight or flight situation, our body's nervous system and muscle are responding to that threat immediately, transmitting superneuron speed. What our practice is actually doing is helping the brain optimize for this set of coordinate activities through a process called myelination. So as we practice, whether by hitting more balls, kicking more kicks, or shooting more pucks towards the net, we trigger a pattern of electrical signals through our neurons. Over time, that triggers the glial cell duo to myelinate those cells, increasing the speed and strength of the signal, like going from dial-up to broadband. This pattern of neurons traveling faster than the speed limits of our brain neuron. Increasing the speed and strength of the nerve impulse will result in increasing the speed and strength of human performances. Understanding the role of myelin means not only understanding why quantity of practice is important to improving your skill, as it takes repetition of the same nerve impulses again and again to activate the two glial cells that myelinate axons, but also the quality of the practice. Similar to how the science of creativity speaks about idle time and not crushing through one task after the other, practicing with a focus on quality is equally important. Stimulating these neurons and electrosynapses by training the brain and bodies to respond to a visual stimuli to force the neuron to travel faster with lightning speed while having total control of these neurons and synapses. Doing so can create a faster, stronger, more focused, and efficient athlete. This is Fitlight Training.